If you're exhausted and still chasing side gigs that barely pay your bill, then this is not going to cut it anymore. The truth here is that we are in a different economy altogether, and costs are rising, right? Job security is shaky, and companies are going to replace you in a second if it helps with your bottom line. That is why this is a season to build something for yourself. And I've got 6 side hustles that actually work, including one that nobody is talking about. And it's going to be working quietly behind the scenes for regular people like you and me. No huge startup costs, no major learning curve, just real skills that solve real world problems, and you're going to be getting paid well for it. I personally took the time to do the research so that you don't have to. I looked into what people are actually making money from right now, not what was trendy 2 years ago. And these side hustles are going to be bringing in solid income and giving people options, freedom, control, and flexibility as well. So grab a notebook because I'm not just giving you ideas, I am giving you a blueprint. So let's get your ideas flowing right now. Let's start with something that is going to be low cost and high demand, which is junk removal. Here is why this one works, right? Every single day, people are moving, downsizing, flipping homes, or clearing out their estate. They don't have the time, the strength, or the desire to deal with hauling of junk by themselves. So what do they need? They need somebody else to do it for them. That someone could be you. You don't need a fancy setup, right? All you need is a rented U-Haul or pickup truck, a dolly, gloves, and some trash bags, basic cleanup supplies, access to a landfill or donation center. You can start by offering your services on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or a neighborhood group. You can reach out to real estate agents as well as property managers and local investors in your area. They are the people who need help on short notice, and you can charge as much as $100 to $200 for small pickup, $300 to $500 for single room cleanups, $1,000 for full property or post-construction job. You can scale fast by hiring help or getting your own truck, and also building relationships with landlords and contractors as well. It is not going to be glamorous, right? But it is consistent, and people are making 5 figures monthly by doing this very side hustle. Number 2 is content creation. Content creation is the new currency right now. And no, right? You don't need to be famous or go viral to make this one work, right? Everyday people like you and I are growing small, engaged communities and monetizing them, right? Through YouTube ad revenue, digital products, affiliate links, paid collaborations, or coaching or consulting services. I do a few of these myself. The key is this: you already have value. You have experience, skills, and lessons that other people are looking for. Whether it's budgeting, parenting, cooking, real estate, healing from debt, or navigating career changes. Just pick one platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and commit to posting 2 to 3 times a week. You can start simply by answering questions that you wish other people had answered for you years ago, right? And you don't need fancy equipment to get this one started, right? A phone and decent lighting is all you need to begin. Over time, your content is going to build trust, and that is where the income is going to be flowing from, not from being instantly famous, just from being consistent and adding value to other people's lives. I myself am a small content creator right now, but my goal is to grow big. I have over 2,000 followers on the platform of TikTok. I just started taking YouTube seriously, and I'm already seeing results. And if you just get started in content creation, I can guarantee you the results will be astronomical. I've actually had people reach out and become clients of mine through social media. So I know this one can work even if you don't have a huge following. Number 3 is the green thumb hustle, which is selling plants online. Let's talk about something that you can actually do from your own backyard, your sunroom, or even a windowsill, which is selling plants. I get it, this one is a little funny, but indoor and outdoor plants are actually trending right now, especially ones that are low maintenance, and aesthetic ones like pothos, monstera, and succulents. People are actually buying these plants for their homes, their offices, and their rentals as well. And yes, they are willing to pay money for these ones. Here is how you can start. Propagate easy to grow plants. Pot them in cute and minimal containers. Sell them on Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, or at local farmers markets near you. You can even upsell with plant care cards, bundles, and delivery options as well. If you actually like working with your hands and don't want to deal with shipping or the logistics, then this one is a great local cash business that you can grow into something big as well. You can actually start with $50 to $100 worth of materials, and then you can scale as things increase. This one is low risk, sustainable, and surprisingly profitable as well. Number 4 is freelancing your existing skills. So this one is for people who actually do something well right now, but haven't monetized it yet. So this is what you think of: resume writing, social media management, video editing, voiceovers, virtual assistant services, copywriting, transcription, email marketing, graphic designs. So you don't need to be an expert, right? You just need to know more than your client does. So you can start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. And then once you've actually done few projects, just create a simple portfolio with Canva or Notion, and you can start building your own brand. You can also look for remote contracts on job boards like We Work Remotely, LinkedIn, or remote.co. Freelancing can let you work from home, control your hours, and actually stack cash and build experience that can actually lead you to big opportunities. Number 5 is digital products. You can make money while you sleep. How it works is that you create something once and then you can sell it over and over again without having inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. Here are examples of some that sell. I do some of these myself: budget templates, credit repair guides, printable meal plans, side hustle checklists, digital planners, social media templates, ebooks or mini courses. You can actually design these with free tools like Canva or Google Sheets. And then you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Stand Store, or even build your own website. And then you can promote them through your content or social media bio as well. And if you're already creating content or you're planning on starting, this one is going to be effortless for you and be a passive income stream as well. Don't overthink it. Just start simple and build one thing that people need, and then you can improve on it over time. I have built a budget template that actually works, and I've sold it to multiple people, and they have found my product through social media as well. Most of my customers are coming from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube as well, and they simply found my product through watching my videos and finding the information that I'm sharing valuable as well. Number 6 is midterm rentals. This one is a quiet real estate win. So let's wrap up with the one side hustle that is quietly becoming a cash cow for a lot of people. This one is called midterm rentals, right? It is different from Airbnbs because it is for 30 days plus of people staying, which is perfect for people like travel nurses, contractors, families that are relocating, and grad students. So here's how this one works. You furnish a property. You list it on platforms like Furnish Finder, Airbnb, or 30 plus day stays, or even corporate housing sites as well. You rent it out for 1 to 6 months at a time. So here's why this one works. It has less turnover, more stable income, lower cleaning and maintenance costs, fewer parties, and more people who are professionals. So you don't have to own a home to start, right? Some people are using rental arbitrage, which is leasing a property and then subleasing it legally, right? But long term, owning the property gives you tax benefits, equity, and complete control as well. Just look for locations near hospitals, colleges, or major employers. So midterm rentals are often less competitive than short-term rentals, right? And in many cities, they don't go through the same regulations as other properties. And with the right setup, one property can bring you $1,000 to $3,000 plus per month in profit. So let's recap. These side hustles are not theory. They're actually working right now, today. Junk removal, content creation, selling plants, freelancing, digital products, midterm rentals. If you are tired of side gigs that keep you broke and burnt out, it is time to try something different. Just pick one, just one. All you need is one. Start now, start there, and don't overthink it. Just build as you go. And you don't need a million followers to start, right? You don't need a loan from anybody. You don't even need permission from your mama. All you need is a plan and consistency. That's it. This is your season to build something that belongs to you and you alone, right? Something that is going to give you options. It starts right now. So drop a comment. Which one are you starting with? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is ready to stop surviving and start building. Because around here, we take opportunities and we turn them into cash. You got this.